Women's Convention. Daming mga manok.
Espera para que lo pagaban and automatically getting a chance to develop and to salted items. Make shots of the salted merchandises. We have our salted shirt.
We have discounted prices for our products only here in V&J. So it's your time now to avail our discounted products, 100% legit, and of course, innovative and registered po yung mga products na here in V&J. Meron din po tayong chance na manalo, maglaro at manalo by liking and following lang po ang ating FB page, V&J FB page. And we get a chance to play and win, of course. Ayan, sa mga naroon po ng raffle tickets, meron po tayong raffle draw for tomorrow na inaabangan natin. And of course, we're going to have 4 lucky winners of 1 bronze tag. And of course, 3 lucky winners of Poland. So thank you so much. Yes po ma'am, discounted po yan yung mga products natin dyan. Ayan ma'am sir, since discounted po yung mga products natin, dadalawa na lang po yung kanilang pullets natin. So take this chance to avail. Of course, 1 bronze tag and 2 pullets left po sa ating mga discounted products. And of course, this is 100% legit. And of course, this is our innovative products. And of course, po, registered po yung mga products natin. At ang pinaka-the best ng part is discounted po lahat po ng mga legit products natin under V&J. And of course, sir, pwede rin po kayong mag-like and follow po sa ating FB page po. Meron po kayong chance na maglaro at manalo. Subscribe lang po and go to have your chance to win our instant freeze po process. Mag-like and follow po sa ating FB page, sir. Thank you so much. So, and of course, 1 bronze tag, of course. This is your chance to avail now our discounted products only here in V&J. Thank you so much for this. Yes,